The long wait has more than paid off. It has finally arrived, and it was absolutely worth every second of anticipation. A huge thank you goes out to YF64 for this outstanding piece of craftsmanship, because what is inside this box is truly something extraordinary. We are talking about nothing less than the legendary blacklist cars from Need for Speed Most Wanted, widely regarded as one of the greatest entries in the franchise, originally released back in 2005. Yes, it has been over 20 years, which makes it even more impressive how deeply this game is still rooted in the hearts of fans today. Who doesn't remember them? Most Wanted, Carbon, and Underground. Iconic titles that defined an entire generation of racing games in the early 2000s. However, as you may have already guessed, our hearts beat especially for this 2005 masterpiece. In particular, the legendary BMW M3 GTR has always stood out as the ultimate symbol of the game, a car that instantly brings back countless memories and emotions. For us, these Need for Speed models are far more than just collectibles. They represent pure childhood joy, nostalgia, and unforgettable gaming moments. Even the packaging itself is absolutely stunning and immediately captures the unmistakable Need for Speed atmosphere. On the back, you will find the contact details of the talented customizer behind this project. We actually reached out to him via Instagram when his pre-order window opened. So if you are interested in getting your hands on one of these incredible pieces, make sure to act quickly before they are gone. Once you open the lid, another great surprise awaits you. Inside, you will find a t-shirt featuring the legendary BMW M3 GTR, and it looks absolutely fantastic. It even came randomly in size XL, which, luckily for us, fits perfectly. On top of that, a set of stickers is included, making sure you never forget who created this incredible collection. And it does not stop there. The back of the t-shirt continues the story, showcasing all the drivers and cars from the blacklist of Need for Speed Most Wanted, all of which are also part of this set. And there they are, the 16 blacklist cars from NFS Most Wanted, neatly packaged and ready to be admired. Almost all of the models are based on Hot Wheels castings, but have been fully customized from A to Z to match their in-game counterparts as closely as possible. Of course, our BMW M3 GTR could not be missing. Without a doubt, our personal favorite, although that probably comes as no surprise. Razor's Ford Mustang is another standout, featuring the correct body kit, decals, and even a custom 3D printed spoiler. Once again, massive respect to the customizer for this level of craftsmanship, especially considering that these sets are assembled entirely by hand and produced in multiple batches within just a few months. You can find the link to contact the customizer in the description below. Would you like to see a Most Wanted ranking where we review and rate each model? Let us know in the comments. As always, thank you so much for your support. Happy collecting and stay safe. Cheers!